Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are in the world right now watching this video. My name is Israel Raphael. I'm a product development consultant and this is OpenProfit. Now I started OpenProfit as a way to reach out to African businesses to help them gain profit intelligence for their business and enterprise. Okay, and I created a community on Telegram and on Facebook, a group and a channel, and as well a group on Telegram, so that we can discuss what profit strategies and techniques that we need to employ if we are to take advantage of Africa being the next frontier for business. Now, in those groups and in those channels, I promised that I was going to do an OpenProfit group of lessons for July. And the reason why I'm doing those lessons is because there are a couple of investment and profit opportunities that are opening up on the market, regardless of whatever it is that you do for business or for enterprise. Okay, these opportunities are money opportunities, hacks that you can take advantage of. And because of those, I saw that there was a gap in knowledge. All right, like we say, profit intelligence, that's really what OpenProfit is about. And I decided that here's what we're going to do. Let's put out lessons, strategies, tip techniques that help people come mentally to the place where they can appreciate that next level of profit, and then we expose them to those opportunities so that they can take maximum advantage of that and optimize those opportunities. So that's what this is all about. I'm going to share 5 things with you, and I need you to pay attention right now. I'm going to give you 5 words, and I need you to take 5 seconds to rearrange those words in order of priority, order of appearance, in the correct order of priority. Okay, so here it goes. See, that's to see. Hear, think, have, and do. Now take 5 seconds. If you are on the OpenProfit discussion board, that's OpenProfit DB on Telegram right now, I want to do a challenge. Fastest fingers. The first person to give me the correct order gets a gift from me. Let's go. Now, while you're busy at that, I'm going to tell you something. My intern at the office about 2 weeks ago, I gave her this challenge and she came back to me in 30 seconds with the correct arrangement. Now, I was supposed to explain what exactly it meant with her, but that's why I got the idea for this video, and we didn't get to that discussion, and we will another day. So, I guess I have your answers now. I'm going to look at the OpenProfit group and see, okay, I haven't gotten any responses yet, but we'll get to that. Now, here's what this is about. The correct order is think, see, hear, do, and have. And let me explain this to you very, very quickly because I'm about to get out of here. A lot of us, what we think about in business is we see what someone has and instantly we want to have it, and that's the wrongest approach in business, and it's very common in African developing countries because we have been re-engineered, as it were, sort of rewired, and negatively I must say, to want things that we haven't put in the necessary work for. So think, the first thing that comes to you is that you are inspired to think. You're probably inspired from your environment, from mentors, from TV, from your own thoughts. Maybe you're a self-starter, you're self-driven, all right? So you think about it, you want to have this thing, all right? You want to have it, but that's not the way. You cannot go from think to have. The first thing that you're going to do after you think is to see. Now, there are many ways that you can see opportunities, see the future that you're going to have to recreate that image, to have that vision, that image. You could see that from videos, inspirational videos and all of that stuff on the internet. You could see it in the possession of another person, okay? You could see it maybe in your mind's eye, whatever it is, but there's lots of stimuli out there that will inspire you to see what you should be seeing so that you can have it. But that's not how to go. You cannot go from think to have, you cannot go from see to have. There's a third stage and it's called hear. Now, I have to tell you this. A lot of the opportunities that will make big profit for you are not open. They are not on the open market. Take this from me. I can put $5,000 on this right now. They are not on the open market. They are within specific communities, fellowships, groups, masterminds, all right, mentor-mentee relationships. They are hidden behind big, huge walls and doors of access that you have to go through to get to those opportunities. So If you hear about them, then you're one of the opportune few. You're one of the blessed few, if I might put it that way. Okay, I'm wrapping this up right away. Now, the next thing that you want to do after you hear about access, about opportunities, is to do. Now, when you think, you see, you hear, you're gonna have to do what it is, the information that you get from your thoughts, from all the thoughts and recreation process, from the vision process, from the seeing process, from the hearing process. This is where the most of us fail. We do not take action. You're gonna have to do. So think, see, hear, do. Only then and only then will you be able to have what you are aspiring to. You must think it, see it, hear it, do it to have it. In the next video, I'll be talking about profit centers. Peace.